Learn the names of different types of furniture and how to distinguish between similar designs. Stool. A seat without a back or arms, typically for one person. Recliner. A chair with an adjustable backrest and footrest. Couch. Also called a sofa, is a long upholstered seat with a back and arms for 2 or more people. Chair. A piece of furniture for one person to sit on, typically having a back and 4 legs. Bench. A long seat for several people, typically made of wood or metal. Armchair. A comfortable chair with side supports for a person's arms. Dining table. A table at which meals are eaten. Coffee table. A low table typically placed in front of a sofa. Nightstand. A small table next to a bed. Desk. A piece of furniture with a flat surface for writing, reading, or using a computer. Console table. A narrow table typically placed against a wall. Wardrobe. A tall piece of furniture for storing clothes, typically with doors and a hanging rail. Shelf. A flat horizontal surface used for storage or display. Bookcase. A piece of furniture with horizontal shelves for storing books. Cabinet. A storage compartment with doors and shelves. Dresser. A piece of furniture with multiple drawers for storing clothes. Office chair. A chair designed for use at a desk in an office. Filing cabinet. A piece of office furniture used to store paperwork in an organized manner. Bunk bed. 2 beds stacked one on top of the other. Bed. A piece of furniture used as a place to sleep. Dressing table. A table with a mirror and drawers used for grooming. Canopy bed. A bed with a frame on top for draping fabric. Ottoman. A padded stool or bench often used for resting feet. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe.